Well, I had a really bad ice skating accident 8 years ago and fell and hit my face really hard. And I had TMJ issues ever since. Went and saw a doctor in Connecticut where I lived. He pretty much was like, you have issues and it'll heal on its own. Never did. So I've started working for Colin, Dr. Receiver's son. And I was asking him about it. You have any dentist, doctors that I can go see? I'm having pain. It hurts so bad I can't open my mouth enough to eat. And he was like, oh, go see my dad. So I made an appointment to come see Dr. Receiver. They pretty much, I don't know, kind of held my hand through it all, explained that it wasn't as bad as I thought it was, but that I did have some pretty good issues going on. Every night, he said, take one Benadryl every night, it'll help you relax. Do this for like a week. We're going to make a mold of your jaw, and then we'll make you a night guard. So they did that, and I wore that night guard the first night, and the next morning I woke up and I felt like 100% better. Instantly, I was like, dang, this thing works really, really, really well. It's changed my daily life because I can wake up with I don't wake up with headaches. I don't wake up with a sore jaw. I don't have to stretch my jaw muscles every day just to be able to open up wide enough to eat. If I hadn't have found Dr. Receiver and I had had to go and have surgery on my jaw, it would have taken a lot of time, money that I didn't have, honestly. So Dr. Receiver has been a huge help.